Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hello everyone, as part of the Children's Day celebration, the Reach Shalom Ministries is launching a Christmas Shoebox outreach program. A Christmas shoebox is a box filled with gifts to be distributed and shared to the less fortunate children and to spread a spirit of joy and giving, especially in the midst of the pandemic. We have targeted a number of 500 children consisting of the Open Day Shelter, Reach Shalom Ministry School, Lawi Bapranai Girls and Boys Home, Lawi Bapranai Specialized Adoption Agency, 24 Hours Crisis, and the children from the Educational Sponsorship Program. The collection of these shoebox will start from the 14th of November 2020 to 15 December 2020. You can participate by filling an empty shoebox with suggested items like personal care items like soap, hairbrush, oil, and so on, soft toys, clothing items, indoor games like Ludo, Uno, activity books like coloring book, and girls' accessories. The suggested items not to include are money, candy, chocolate, chewing gum, used or damaged items, war-related or violent toys like toy guns, knives, military figures, liquids or lotions, and breakable items. You can wrap the filled shoebox with red and green paper and label whether the gift is for a boy or a girl and what age group it is meant for. You can also add a personal note to encourage the child. The age groups are 1 to 3 years, 4 to 7 years, 8 to 9 years, 10 to 12 years, 13 to 14 years, and 15 to 18 years old. You can drop off your shoebox at ODS Normansum, ODS Maubley, Boys Home Langkarding, Girls Home Mauklot, RSM School Lightgod, and RSM Office Lankra. Let us encourage our children at home and everyone who can participate to join in and give with a cheerful heart. Thank you. God bless.